Time for your chocolate fix? Today, leave the hidden agenda behind. I have a guilt-free solution that will leave you feeling just as satisfied. Come on, let's go. This 3-ingredient healthy hot chocolate recipe is my go-to secret weapon when I have a strong, uncontrollable urge to eat all of the chocolate. What you start with is a cup of milk of choice. I have a organic coconut. It's unsweetened. I do recommend unsweetened. You take a cup of that, pour it into a microwavable pitcher or a mug. Take a tablespoon of just regular old cocoa powder. Pour that in. And then take a few drops of liquid stevia. This is Better Stevia. It's organic by the Now brand. My favorite. Doesn't have aftertaste. A few little drops of that. You can always add more later. Then all you're going to do is pop that in the microwave or put it on a stove to warm up. Then we're going to whisk it together and see what you get at the end. All right, I've just heated this up for 2 minutes. So I'll take my whisk and just make sure it's nice and smooth and mixed. Take my mug, pour it in. Look at that delicious chocolatey goodness. This does not disappoint. Drop in the comments below if you plan on trying out this recipe. And also, if you know of anyone else who needs to channel their chocolate urges in a healthy way, feel free to share out this video.